Identity and Democracy, or ID for short, is a new group in the European Parliament which replaces Europe of Nations and Freedom. Its priorities are
jobs and growth, security, and tackling illegal immigration.
With 73 MEPs, Identity and Democracy is the fifth largest group in the European Parliament.
We have to focus on the policies that can bring common benefit if we do it together and leave other policies at the national level. So our message is that we want an European Union that is less bureaucratic, is simpler, and it is closer to the EU citizen.
Most of its members come from Italy's League Party, the National Rally in France, and the German party AfD. It has MEPs from 6 other countries: Austria, Belgium, the Czech Republic, Denmark, Estonia, and Finland.
We are a pragmatic group that would like to challenge the view of there is no alternative rhetoric that someone used in the European Union in the last 20-25 years. Every time that we are facing a problem in the European Union, the solution that the former majorities in the European Parliament proposed to the EU citizens was we need to delegate more power to Brussels.